Your phone vibrates in your pocket. You reach for it, you look at the screen, it is blank. It did not vibrate. Your nervous system simply hallucinated a digital input. You put it back. You do not question this. You are 31 years old. You have a constant, quiet tension in your jaw that you no longer notice. You exist in a state of permanent, low-grade exhaustion. You think this is just what getting older feels like. It is not. You are the subject of a very specific, undocumented psychological transition. You are a 90s baby. You're the last generation to possess a brain built in the analog world, forced to operate entirely inside a digital machine. You speak both languages. You belong to neither. Let's look at the architecture of how you got here. Level 1. You are 9 years old. It is a Tuesday afternoon in the summer. You are profoundly bored. You stare at the ceiling. There's no screen to rescue you from this feeling. You do not know it yet, but this boredom is a structural requirement for your brain. In the silence, your mind learns to wander. It learns to construct its own dopamine. You have a physical boundary. When you are home, the outside world cannot reach you. You are unreachable. You assume your mind will always belong to you. You do not know that your attention is a resource, and it is about to be mined. Level 2. You are 15. The machine arrives in your house. It makes a screeching, mechanical sound to connect. The internet is not a place you live, it is a place you visit. You log on. You speak to people in chat rooms. You curate an identity. But the most important mechanism at this level is the exit. When you are done, you click shutdown. You walk away. The internet stays trapped inside the heavy plastic box on the desk. You go to sleep in absolute silence. You still control the portal. You think technology is a tool that answers to you. You do not realize the tool is mapping your psychology. Level 3. You are 25. You enter the workforce. The portal shrinks and moves into your pocket. The physical boundary of your life is quietly dismantled. You are no longer unreachable. Ever. An email from your managing director arrives at 10:45 p.m. on a Saturday. You read it. You respond. The transaction is complete. The system realizes it no longer has to pay you for your physical presence. It now owns your psychological availability. You stop looking out of windows. You stop enduring boredom. The moment your mind is quiet, you reach for the glass screen. You trade your peace for constant stimulation. Dopamine becomes your debt. You're paying interest on it every day. Level 4. You are in your 30s. You have the salary. You have the apartment. The numbers on the screen say you are successful, but you feel a chronic, heavy emptiness. You realize your brain is running an operating system that is no longer supported by the world you live in. You begin to buy things from your childhood. Vintage cameras, dumb phones, vinyl records. You are trying to purchase back the feeling of level 1. The market notices this. The system packages your own childhood and sells it back to you at a premium. You are paying a nostalgia tax simply to feel human. You realize the system did not just change the world, it changed your neurology. Level 5. The final realization. You are the bridge generation. You are the ghosts in the machine. You remember the before, which means you are the only ones who know exactly what was stolen. You look at the generation below you. They have never known a disconnected thought. They have never been unreachable. You want to warn them, but they do not speak your analog language. The gap is permanent. You accept the architecture. You put your phone down. It vibrates. You know it might be a hallucination of your nervous system. You reach for it anyway. The screen lights up. You log back in. The machine takes another step forward.